What is up, you guys? Today we are going to be reviewing the Airmax 720 Betrue. This is for the Pride month, so you have the rainbow color throughout this whole shoe. It's a pretty cool touch. Basically, this rainbow color represents the gay pride and also for the gay people. And yeah, this is a size 4, and I believe this shoe fits true to size because of the Airmax. And it's actually a really comfortable shoe with the full Airmax zoom unit right here. As you can look, like the thing goes from the back heel area all the way to like your toes. So yeah, this should be a really comfortable and bouncy shoe, and it's just like a big ass plastic around. And let's check out the tongue right here. Airmax on the tongue. Just the generic sizing on the back here, and Betrue on the back. Both shoes. And yeah, you also have the signature of the creator that made the shoe. I don't know who he is, but yeah, he's the creator of the shoe, and his signature is right over here. Yeah, one thing I really like about this shoe is just the color, you know? It's a full rainbow color for the summertime. Even this box has a full rainbow color too, to represent Pride Month. And another small touch I noticed is the insole. I don't know if you guys can tell, but there's like rainbow colors on the insole with like words. There's spirit, serenity, magic, just like love words. Pretty nice touch. And on the left shoe, it's actually a different insole. You have a Betrue here with his signature. And yeah, it's all pink. This one is a rainbow color on this insole here. It goes from purple, blue. Basically the color you see on this shoe, the color scheme is the same for the insole as well. And yeah, you also have like a plastic mesh thing on the side, plastic on the toe, and then on the other side here for the shoe. Yeah, this is one of the newer models, Airmax 720. Betrue, Pride Month, you already know. Let's see if the shoe fits. Can't even fit my feet in here, it's too small. Yeah, can't fit, man. Peace.